Why? Because see, this concept is very important, especially if you are preparing for your DELF or TCF or TEF exam. All right, always keep this in mind. Never neglect the concept of nominal verbs. All right. After this thing, like yeah, I think only 4 or 5 things are left, and we'll cover all those things. And after that, we're going to start the book. So just follow this channel. And I know I don't have many subscribers. I have like 31 or 32 subscribers today. Thank you. Matlab, till say thank you that you have joined and you have subscribed to my channel and you are watching my videos. And if you have not, then also it's fine. And if you have not subscribed, that's totally fine. What you can yet you if you have difficulty concerning French language, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can message me on my Telegram ID, and I'll make a video. Namaste guys. So today we'll be learning about pronominal verbs. Pronominal verbs. All right. Now, before we go further, I just want to tell you guys that there are a lot of topics I have covered in the past, like prono interrogative, etc., how to ask questions in French language. Those are also part of the same series, and I'll share the link in the description of all those videos, all those videos. And so let's start. So what are pronominal verbs? What are pronominal verbs? See, first thing we have to notice and always keep in mind is that English and French both are not same languages. All right, and also that there are a lot of things which are not common in English and in French language. For example, pronominal verbs. All right, English doesn't have this pronominal verbs. All right, first thing. Let me give you one example. For example, in English, if I'm saying that I'm brushing my teeth, all right. But in French language, you cannot say this. You have to say je me brosse les dents. Full stop. Je me brosse les dents. All right. Suppose if you say this thing without me or without the pronominal verb or reflexive noun, we'll come to that. Then it will become that you are brushing someone else's teeth. All right. Like you are with your girlfriend and you guys are living together and you are brushing her teeth. All right. So this is the context. And mm, so always remember to use reflexive pronoun or pronominal verbs very carefully. If you are doing something to yourself, then you have to use pronominal verbs. This is first thing. Second thing you have to here remember is that there are other usages also which we will cover in our A2 level. There are other parts also. All right, but since it is the very beginning, I'm covering only the very basic. All right, so let's start. So first of all, subjects in French language. Je. So with the je, you will going to use me or m apostrophe. M apostrophe. You will going to use m apostrophe when the next word letter is A, E, I, O, U, and in some cases H also. Not all the cases. Always remember. Otherwise, what will happen now is that teachers always say that always H, always H, always H, and then when student go in their B2 level, they face this issue that their base is not so strong. So always keep in mind H with certain terms and conditions. All right, always remember this. Now, Q, T apostrophe. Il, elle, on, se, S apostrophe. Nous, vous, il, elle, se. So what you have to remember is either you will use this one or this one according to the letter available in front of me, te, se. All right, always remember this thing. So how you will remember this? This is how you have to remember. Ma, ta, sa, nu, vu, sa. That's it. Always remember this. Just remember this table. All right. No need to go. No need to go here and there. That we I have to remember this. I have to remember that. There is no need. All right. Now let's observe how to conjugate these verbs. All right. Because application is important. If you do not apply something, or if you cannot apply something, I'm really sorry, there is no point of learning a language. All right, for example, se lave. Se lave meaning is to wash oneself. If I write lave, then to wash. All right, that's the difference. You observe, lave, to wash, se lave is to wash oneself. All right, and whenever you will going to the simplest form of a pronominal verb, always you have to use sir. You will never going to use me lave. So the verb is me lave. Don't do this mistake in your class. Otherwise, your teacher, it will give a bad impression on your to your teacher. All right, always use sir. So the starting will always remain the same in whenever you will tell the verb, the real form of the verb. That's it. Now, sir lave is the er verb. If you remember the conjugations, then first of all, let's observe the conjugation pattern. E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. This is the first thing. All right. What we have done is M, T, S, Nu, Vu, S. All right. Now I have discussed this thing also. M, T, S. So let's observe the verb sapale. Sapale is to be named as. They never say the French people never say that my name is Pankaj Yadav. They always say that je m'appelle Pankaj Yadav. Sorry, if someone is speaking French, then he'll say je m'appelle instead of saying je suis. All right. Why? Because of the concept of pronominal verbs. I'm really sorry. Je m'appelle. Tu t'appelles. Now this is the same thing. All right. For example, E, E, ES, E, ONS, EZ, ENT. All right. So what you have to do is, tu t'appelles, il, elle, on s'appelle. Nous appelons, vous vous appelez, il, elle s'appelle. And in case if your teacher is going to take your exam concerning grammar, always remember that he or she will going to give you s'appeler verb, this verb, s'appeler verb. He will always give you this s'appeler verb for conjugation after you learn pronominal verbs. Why? Because nous and vous. Remember this thing. This is where you lose your marks. All right. Because nous appelons. ONS. There is a single L. There is a single L. Keep this in mind. All right. There is a single L. All right. Now let me give you some examples. What is the difference if you add a pronominal verb to a normal sentence? For example, je lave le vélo. I'm washing the bike. I'm washing the bike. All right. But if I say that je me lave, then I'm washing myself. All right. See, my aim is not to tell you guys English language. Try to, there's this verb in French language, deviner. This is very important verb for you people if you are in basics. Deviner means to guess. Always try to guess the meaning in these initial levels. All right. Why? Because this is your pace. All right, guys. For example, je lave le vélo. Je me lave. Je me lave. All right. Je me lave. Got it? This is how I teach. I don't use French language, English language in A2 level. I stopped using that. All right. Je regarde le film de Tom Cruise. Je regarde, je regarde le film de Tom Cruise. All right. Hope you know the meaning. All right. I'm telling you. I'm watching the movie of Tom Cruise or the film of Tom Cruise. All right. Je me regarde dans le miroir. Je me regarde dans le miroir. I'm watching myself in the mirror. Got it? All right. Now there are a few verbs. There are a few verbs which are important for you guys. So what you have to do is, se réveiller. What you have to do is you have to remember these words, and just that's it. Se réveiller, to wake up. All right. Se laver, to get up. Se souvenir, to remember. Se marier. Now, this verb is related to marriage, le mariage. All right. I'm not going to tell you the verb, but I'm going to give you an example. Ils se sont mariés. They got married to each other. All right. So what the person has used? Se sont mariés with an extra s. Always keep this in mind that whenever you are going to do a conjugation related to past tense, I shared this in, I taught you guys this thing in last class. So what you have to do is you always have to add an extra S or E according to the situation. Suppose two lesbians are marrying each other, getting married to each other, then elles se sont mariées with an extra E. Otherwise, you will going to lose the marks. All right. This is something no one shares. All right. I know the example was a bit stupid, but believe me, it will help you. Our mind has this very bad habit of remembering the bad things. All right. So two lesbians getting married to each other, then ES. Keep this in mind. All right. Always keep this in mind. And same logic goes whenever you have to conjugate a verb in past tense. Then what you will do? Just like this thing. You have to use after the subject, il se so. Let me just give you an example. Marié. Suppose if you have to write the pronominal verb in the past tense, how will you going to write? Just after the subject. Suppose if it is je or blah 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 blah. Suis marié. I'm just giving you an example. This example is wrong. This is grammatically 100% correct, but this you can never use in reality. I'm telling you how. Je me suis marié. All right. I'm married to myself. It is absurd. All right. So this is the thing. Tu t'es marié. Il s'est marié. I'm just giving you an example just so that you can understand the logic. All right. So keep this thing in your mind. And if you have any difficulty, this is the first time I'm saying this. You can leave it in the comment section. I'm going to make another video, or I'm going to just teach you this thing again with some better examples. All right. Why? Because see, this concept is very important, especially if you are preparing for your TEL for TCF or TF exam. All right. Always keep this in mind. Never neglect the concept of nominal verbs. All right. After this thing, I think only 4 or 5 things are left, and we'll cover all those things. And after that, we're going to start the book. So just follow this channel. And I know I don't have many subscribers. I have like 31 or 32 subscribers today. Thank you. Matlab, till say thank you that you have joined and you have subscribed to my channel and you are watching my videos. And if you have not, then also it's fine. And if you have not subscribed, that's totally fine. What you can if you have difficulty concerning French language, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can message me on my Telegram ID, and I'll make a video. So share it with your friends. That's it. Thank you guys. God bless you all.